Okay, you can see the beautiful property, Ikeja Gra. This space can take at least minimum of 4 cars to 5 cars conveniently added to this space. So put together, let's say we are having approximately 7 cars. Over here, this is the swimming pool. Very lovely property. Massive swimming pool here. You can see it right here at the heart of Ikeja Gra. Lovely environment. You can see that's a tank over there. You can see it. Lovely. Yes, lovely place, lovely property. The heart of Ikeja Gra. You see, there's a security house. Lovely edifice. So nice. Let me see if the doors are open so I can get inside. Okay, they are locked. So I have some loads inside there to show you the environment.